Hello guys, this is my sincere effort to reach the hearts and minds of all the children who are aspirants of forthcoming board examination 2021. See my dear children, you must be really fed up of consistent, unchangeable instructions and some common keywords like study, focus, prepare well, concentrate on your academics, etc. etc. Every elderly person will advise you to study, to practice and blah 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 many things. Relax my dear children, just cool and chill. Already everybody knows very well, the entire world is facing pandemic, pitiful conditions, worsened circumstances, many dreadful incidents. But my dear friends, take it easy. Amongst such embarrassing conditions, you foreground your exams, future and aspiring your goals. By the time you are watching or listening to me, you must be definitely organized and equipped for your CBSE board examinations. Here I would like to talk to you all, and especially to those students who think that it is difficult for them to prepare as they lacked appropriate guidance and coaching due to such crucial period. Now I would like to make you people understand through a story. The story goes like this. In the middle of a beautiful city, there was a museum laid with beautiful marble tiles and with a huge marble statue as a part of the display. Many people from all over the world visited the museum every day and admired the beautifully crafted statue. One night, the marble tiles started talking to the marble statue. Marble tiles said, "Hey statue, don't you think that it is just not fair that everybody from all over the world come all the way here to admire you while ignoring and stepping on me?" Then marble statue replied, "My dear brother marble tile, don't you remember we actually from the same cave?" Now marble tiles replied, "Yes, I do. That is why I feel it is even more unfair. Both of us were born from the same cave and yet the world treats us so differently now. This is so unfair." Now statue replied, "Yes, you are right my dear brother, but do you still remember the day when the sculptor tried to work on you but you resisted his tools?" Now marble tile said, "Yes, I despise that guy. How could he use those nasty tools on me?" Then marble statue said, "Now, well, since you resisted his tools, he could not work on you. When he decided to give up on you, he started working on me instead. I knew at once that I would be something different and unique after his efforts. I bore all the painful tools he used on me and allowed him craft me as he wanted." Now marble tile said, "But those tools were so painful." Statue replied, "See my brother, there is a price for everything in life. Since you decided to resist and gave up of the way, you can't blame anybody who steps on you now." The marble tiles silently listened to his brother's words and started to reflect on it. Exactly, my dear children. Just like your parents, your principal, your subject teachers, sometimes they behave harsh with you all. However, this is only because the teacher wants you to grow and be a good individual. Take it from me, my dear beloved children. The harder the knocks you go through in your life, the more you learn and put them to use in the future. Do not be discouraged by setbacks and failures. Keep trying to be better. The most beautiful and successful people we have known are those who have known defeat, known suffering, known struggle, known loss, and have found their way out of those depths. Just like the marble statue, you too come out of your comfort zone. Fasten your seat belts. Start extracting your best. I request you to face the challenge and prove your inner potentialities. If you can think, then definitely you can make difference. If you have any queries, please do write in comment box, like, subscribe and share. Let the best reach everybody in the world. Please do take good care of yourself, stay safe, be the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching.